How to transfer money from Capital One to Apple Pay. First, open your Apple Wallet and tap on your balance. Once you access your balance or open your wallet, you'll get the option to add a new credit or debit card. Select that option and enter the details for your Capital One credit card to link it to your Apple Wallet. Once linked, the card will be displayed in your Apple Wallet, and you'll be able to make and receive transfers using Apple Pay. If you want to transfer funds from your Capital One bank account to Apple Cash, tap on your Apple Cash balance at the top of your wallet. On the next page, you'll be able to select Add Funds, enter the amount you want to add to your Apple Cash balance, and as long as your Capital One bank account or credit card is linked, you'll be able to complete the transfer and receive the funds as Apple Cash. I hope this video helped you learn how to transfer money from Capital One to Apple Pay. And if you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe.